Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Sagebrush Happy Hour Journal entry for July 7th, 2025. As you can see by the flat gray skies behind me there, maybe you can see kind of the cloud features there, is that we're kind of having some monsoon weather. And so we just had a big thunder shower, quite a bit of water. I haven't actually looked at the totals yet, but I'm sure our cisterns are totally full. So, if we can't have sun, it's always nice to have water. And I haven't done a journal entry since last Wednesday, and the reason for that was last Thursday, which was the 3rd of July, is we went up to Pagosa Springs, Colorado, to pick up an inverter, and this is a piece of solar equipment. And then, of course, there was 4th of July, and then over the weekend, I ended up getting tied up with helping out at the Chili Line Depot restaurant. And so what we've kind of decided is that we were going to put together a separate solar system to support the hot tub and eventually an EV, because I was having some problems with the microinverter setup in our off-grid situation. And so we've kind of decided that's not the best engineering solution. And so what I'm going to do is basically decommission the microinverter and then use that array of 1,600 some watts of solar panels, and we'll put that over on the south side of the fence over here and over there by the hot tub. And then we'll put the new inverter, which is a 6,000 watt inverter, which should definitely be able to handle the hot tub and EV charging. And then we'll take 2 of our 5 batteries that are out there now, and we'll use those in the hot tub system, and then keep 3 batteries to run the home system. And so that's kind of a little bit more of an engineering challenge, but the biggest part of it, I could have that up and running tomorrow, except for that we want to have the inverter and the 2 batteries in some sort of weatherproof enclosure, which would probably mean a shed. And so I probably wanted to build a shed off of the fence on the east side there, close to the hot tub, so that we can house the inverter and the 2 batteries in a weatherproof situation and possibly insulated situation, so that they won't get too cold when it gets down to below 0, for example, in the winter. And so I'm still kind of working out how I'm going to do that. And so that's kind of holding us up while I figure that out. And so that's kind of where we're at with the hot tub electrical support on the off-grid hot tub. And so that's what's kind of happening out here on the Mesa today. So cheers, everybody.